What is an operating system? So operating system is a program that acts as an intermediary between a user of a computer and the computer hardware. That means, assume that one end you have a user, other end you have a computer. Computer hardware end, you assume that there is a system, right? So now, how is it user will make use of the system? User wants to perform so many operations. So who will help the user to use this computer hardware? So I have some intermediate unit called operating system. It is actually a set of programs. We run some set of programs between. It acts as an intermediate layer between the user and the computer hardware. It facilitates the user to use the computer hardware. So what is an operating system? It is a program that acts as an intermediary between a user of a computer. I have computer at the one end, I have user at the other end. So how is this user going to use this computer hardware? Who will guide? Who will facilitate? Who will provide the service? Who will take the responsibility to coordinate the user and the computer hardware? So that responsibility is taken care by a program or a unit or a layer, I will call operating system. That you clearly understand by looking at the goals of the operating system. There are two goals in the operating system. What are those? The first goal here is execute user programs and make solving user problems easier. So user means, assume that you are the user, you have some set of programs to be executed. So by executing such programs, you are going to solve some given problems, right? So now how is it you are going to execute? Who is going to execute your programs? Whatever the program you want to run, who will execute? Operating system is going to execute your programs, right? So the next step, the next goal here is make the computer system convenient to use. So user will use the computer system with the help of the operating system. Operating system will facilitate the user to make use of the computer system. So with the help of the operating system, we will have best utilization of the resources. Your computer system is a resource, right? Always the user will utilize this resource. So that guidance will be coordination, the control. The control of the resource allocation is done by the operating system. So what is the next step we have? Use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. If there is no operating system, then we may not use the computer hardware efficiently. So operating system provides the best utilization of